Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rupa Akhtar Ruby, and thank you for giving me the chance to present my Python portfolio project on supply and sales management with business intelligence. This study explores the power of data analytics of optimizing retail operation, improving sales performance, and enhancing customer engagement. Here's what we will cover today, starting with introduction, moving through methodology, then diving into data preprocessing analysis, and finally actionable strategies and conclusions. Let's introducing the role of business intelligence. Retail business struggle with demand fluctuations, inventory issues, pricing, and customer retention. Our study analyzed past sales data, predict future trends, and recommend strategies to improve efficiency and profitability. Using business intelligence, we gain deeper insights into sales patterns, customer pre-reference, and operational performance. And data analytics optimize supply chains by improving inventory management, reducing losses, and boosting customer satisfaction. Studies show it leads to higher revenue and customer retention. Cloud analytics and IoT enhance visibility, while machine learning models refine sales forecasting and customer insights, driving smarter decision. For this study, we analyzed a dataset containing 100,000 transactions covering sales transactions, customer demographics, inventory management. Data preprocessing. Missing values were addressed using mode imputations for categorical data and validation for numerical data. For instance, the bank name column with 7,256 missing value was replaced with unknown. Standardization. Standardization format were standardized, inconsistency resolve, and duplicate record remove. Data augmentation techniques were applied to enhance model performance and improve prediction accuracy. Here there are many analytical techniques of descriptive analysis such as sales pattern, sales variations, customer behavior, store performance. Uh, in first diagram, we show that the highest sales were recorded in 2018. 18 and while the lowest sales was in 2021 due to incomplete data, and quarter 4 and October show peak sales performance. Dhaka leads in sales and customer base, making it the top performing division. And Borishal has the lowest sales and customer count, highlighting areas for improvement. Here, dishware cups cold is the most purchased item, reflecting strong consumer demand. Here, 83% prefer card payment, showing a shift to digital transaction. Mobile payment rising, indicating changing consumer habit. In customer distribution by district, here high value customers prefer for top stores and specific product. Targeted promotion can boost retention and loyalty. To predict sales, trends and customer behavior, we applied linear regression and achieving an R-square value of 0.92, indicating high accuracy. And then increasing in mobile transaction due to smartphone usage. Quarter 4 remains peak season for sale, and personalized promotion will enhance retention and engagement. Based on our finding, we recommended the three key strategies for business growth: sales optimization, apply dynamic pricing during peak season, offer bundle discount, and target promotion based on customer preference; store performance improvement, adapt successful strategies from Dhaka to underperforming regional. Customer engagement and loyalty. Use AI-driven recommendation of enhanced customer satisfaction. These strategies will help increase revenue, improve customer retention, and optimize business efficiency. In conclusion, business intelligence and data analytics are essential for modern retail success. Descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics help business optimize efficiency, boost sales, and enhance customer engagement. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Rupi, Rupa, Ruby, for your presentation.